English tip by tip.
Tip 72. Possessive Construction.
Apostrophe S. Form a possessive by adding an apostrophe and S to a singular noun, or simply an apostrophe to a plural noun that already ends in S.
Example.
This luggage here is Margarita's. Of, more formal and less common than the apostrophe S construction.
Example.
The luggage of Margarita is here.
Dialogue.
Can you see that luggage at the office?
Yes, for sure.
To whom does it belong?
That's Teresa's.
Thanks.
What happened? Teresa forgot her luggage in the office and saw Teresa's luggage and was worried. So she asked Maria who it belonged to. Tip 72. Exercise. Connect. He is John's tailor. Paul's yacht is on the board. This is my son's toy. That's Teresa's cat. Margarita's coffee is too hot. Green is Anne's preferred color. These are Maria's shoes.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.